In this video, you'll learn how to create a custom carousel slider and add it to your Squarespace website. To get started, return to your Squarespace homepage and add a new blank section. If you make a mistake, simply use the undo button to revert your changes. Next, open the Slider app catalog and search for a slider widget. Once you find it, select the Slider app to view all available templates. After browsing the templates, choose a full width or carousel layout and confirm your selection to continue editing your widget. In the Slide Editor, go to the Slides tab and switch to the Image option. Then upload your preferred image for the carousel. Now, choose your desired slide layout, like text left, and then customize the title, text, and button options for each slide to fit your needs. Once you've finished editing, use the back options to exit each menu and review or adjust the slider navigation settings as needed. When ready, return to Slide Management. When you're satisfied with the widget, publish it and open your widget list. Then copy the provided embed code for use on your site. Back in Squarespace, exit the editor, add a new block in your blank section, and select the code block. Paste the code and save your changes to embed the carousel. To finish, simply save your page and navigate away to see your carousel slider live on your Squarespace site. You've just learned how to create and embed a carousel slider in Squarespace.